What up, gamers? The last episode we had finished building this over here. This is the frame. Last episode I showed the montage. Now I'll show you all the house completely. Now this is the entrance. I feel I am going to expand it from the back side here. Planning to add another room here. So first we'll destroy this flower here first. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 from this side. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here we'll add another room here. Yeah. Now that this room is going to get done, I need more birch. Now what is our plan is we will dig some cobblestone and go. Wow, I have 2 axes. I will dig some cobblestone and we will complete this house by putting stone walls over here. We'll put some grass over here and make a little bit more green, you know. And then eventually we'll move our stock from there to here. We'll build it inside. We'll do the interior in a part 3, and in part 4 we'll finish out doing the roof. This build might have even a second floor, so I cannot even tell what is going to happen, but we are going to expand it from the front and back in this video and complete the walls. Yeah, now I'll quickly collect some stone. I'm collecting some stone now. Okay, I have to actually make a new pickaxe. Yeah, by the way, we found our old base and we found a dog also. I've not named it yet. I'll not let y'all name it because y'all are definitely gonna name it after me. Let's see. Yeah, this is the new dog. I've given it some bones. Given it some bones. Language. We'll give it some meat also. I need to cook meat. I don't want it to eat raw meat. Okay. And we made some bread also, so that we don't rely on our other food sources to eat food. And it does about 2.5 bars of hunger, so you know it's just fine. Yeah. I don't know why there's a floating island there, but today's episode is not about the trees, it's more about stone. So here's a montage of me collecting stone. Okay, actually first I need to make a pickaxe, man. Last episode also same thing happens. You know what? We'll start by making a proper storage system. I can't move around carrying my entire stock with my inventory. We'll have 3 chests for our storage system. We need some of the wood, but we have to use it for some other reasons. 3 chests should do just fine. We have already 1 chest. Yeah. Now we'll finally get ourselves a good storage system. This is not gonna be the end of my storage system, because oh wait, I actually need to make 3 double chests. I forgot I need 6 then. We'll make another pair. Okay. We'll put our chests now in our inventory. Now. Oh my god. Oh, I have to put the chest in the correct area. Yeah. And we'll make carpets also. We'll make shears first. We need to cut some of the tree stuff. And we can do one more thing now. A easier way to get into our mob area. Oh, that's done. Okay, we got an egg from this guy. Please be a chicken. No, died. Okay, we'll search for another chicken. We want to breed our chickens as well, but for now, let's collect some stone. We'll strip mine till Y12 now. Actually, we'll strip mine till Y11. I don't know. Most possible area to get diamonds is apparently Y11, not Y12. Let's make our strip mine here. Oh, again I forgot to make the pickaxe itself. Quickly make ourselves a pickaxe. Do I have sticks? No, I don't have sticks. I think I added one of my chests. Yeah, I have sticks. We'll put some of the useless stuff in our chests now. I don't need flowers. I don't need magma block. I definitely don't need this pickaxe. I'll need the shield. I don't need leather now. I don't need dirt. Diorite sucks. I never needed it anyway. Stone sword, I don't think so I will use. I know I'm not going to villages anyway. I'm not needing my emeralds. I need my torches. I need my arrows. I don't have enough string to make a bow, or else I would have made a bow. I have to kill some more spiders. We'll keep one of our wood over here. This much wood will do just fine. We don't need a white carpet. We are going to carpet our house also, but yeah. Yeah, now we can go now. After making a quick pickaxe. Now we can go. Okay, we'll wait for some time for it to become night, or we'll go straight away. In the next episode, we will be going exploring in the desert. We want to find a desert temple. Okay, it's gonna be night. We'll sleep and we'll go. We need to collect a lot of stones. We light this area up. This area has a problem of lighting. At night, mobs can spawn here with ease. Okay. Let's see if any mobs spawn there. Actually, we don't want mobs spawning there. I feel there will be some areas where lighting isn't sufficient, like this. Right here, let's check the lighting over here. Yeah, the lighting isn't sufficient. If we leave this area at night, mobs will spawn here. Oh, I left some wool there. Okay, for now that's done. We'll go to the mine now. We'll go around this mountain somewhere here. Yeah, here. This is gonna be our strip mine. Okay, now we'll make another few more pickaxes and come. Okay, let's take some wood and go this time. Where did I keep my wood? Yeah, I think I kept it here. Yeah, we'll take one of this. We'll take this one and come. We'll quickly make ourselves a crafting table. We'll make ourselves a chest and a crafting table so that we can have some storage even in the mine. Yeah. And now we can go back. Still daytime. I think I have collected enough cobblestone to build the house. So yes, we'll start with the house first today then. Yeah, now we'll put the house walls and all that stuff. That's gonna be it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Today I made little bit more bigger improvements. We found diamonds, and yeah, we are going to complete the house tomorrow. Roof will take little bit more time, and I'm planning to add another floor to it. So yeah, that's gonna be it. If you like more Minecraft videos, subscribe, like, you know the drill. Bye.